What is a substitution order?
A substitution order, legally speaking, I won't get the restaurant part seems pretty straightforward, so I won't touch on that. But at law, a substitution order is simply a court order that substitutes counsel. And in our world, and I think people would be surprised to learn this, in the legal world, much of what we do, even in this day and time, is still done on a handshake, still done informally, and still done without a lot of procedural safeguards in place. And a substitution order is basically a court order entered by a judge in which lawyers simply substitute into a legal case. If Stephen is the lawyer, he leaves, Martin becomes the lawyer, you and I sign that order, the judge signs it, and then you have new counsel of record. There is no formality to that. It's not notarized. It's not in any way certified. Simply I sign it, you sign it, and the judge signs it, and it becomes a court order. It's one of those orders, and there's really no reason for mischief to be involved. And of course, that's part of the book, how a substitution order opens the door to some pretty significant mischief.
When did it strike you that this is way too easily exploitable?
There are a lot of things in the court system that are too easily manipulated. And a part of that is because we in the court system have to be open and accessible. It's a head scratcher to me, and this played a role in my last book. And one of my clerks said, please don't announce that again and again, and please don't write it again and again. But it's amazing to me that I can walk in. I don't know about other states, but certainly in our state, in Virginia, I can walk into the clerk's office today, and I can use the indexing system, and I can locate a file, your file, and many original documents are right there, and there's no one watching me. I'm reminded of, who was it there was someone I think from one of the administrations went into the National Archives and pocketed something and walked out with it one day. But you could do that. It's pretty simple. You walk into the clerk's office, open the file up, take out an original agreement, a letter, a document, put something in. Ultimately, you'd probably get caught and it wouldn't work. But there's a ton of accessibility because we have to be transparent and open.